Obviously we're going to do the path down the side, we're doing the little path at the front there, and then we'll make our way around the back here onto this patio at the back, which is going to come up really nice. We'll clean this with a flat surface cleaner first, and then we're going to treat it with a sodium hypochlorite treatment, and then we'll come around the side here, and then we'll get the path down here nice and clean. So what we've done now, just follow me. We've cleaned the tarmac driveway, we're just going to let that dry. We've cleaned in front of the house, and now we've cleaned the path down the side, and we've done the right patio at the back, around the sides. It's come up well, but what we're going to do now is treat it with a chemical application, just to make sure we kill any organic spores, any lichen or black spot which are on the stone, which there's a couple of marks. But what I've got today, bought myself a new toy, and it's a ProFoam from Rutland Pumps. So like usual, I'm going to be using my sodium hypochlorite with some pure Surf Boost mixed in, just to helps it foam up and stick to the surface a bit better. But yeah, I've been meaning to get one of these for a while, so it's the ProFoam from Rutland Pumps. But what I've also got is one of these switch tips, and what these do is, normally you have to keep swapping and changing some plastic nibs for your dilution rate, where with this I can just, with doing that, change the dilution of my hypo to my ratio of water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have it on number 2 today, sorry, number 4, is that right? Yeah. On number 4, which will give me a mix of around about 1 to 3 mix of water and hypo, and it simply works via a mini quick release. That goes into there, and then this goes into my drum. So I'm just going to connect my high pressure hose. I'm using a ball valve, which means I can just turn it on and off and switch over like so, and let's see what we get. What I'll attempt to do is let that sit on the surface for about 15-20 minutes. I'll probably rub it in, I'll brush it in. And, yeah, happy days. So I'm just going to let this high pour sit now. I've brushed it in, let it sit for 15-20 minutes. Already though I can see a big difference. Like I said, there was quite a bit of black support and algae around here, and already that's just disappearing with a high pour. What you may or may not have seen as well, with the surface cleaner, sometimes you can leave little lines from when you overlap. High pour, get rid of that. But it's looking so much cleaner now, so much brighter, and that'll be just a case of simply rinsing this off. Around the side here, yeah. And then obviously before I go, give one final rinse down to the walls, doors. I've been rinsing as I go along, so they don't look too bad, to be fair. So job's done now. At front here, come up really nice, and we'll make our way around the back. Still got some damp patches where I've been rinsing down, but yeah, come up really clean. It's going to be really bright once it all dries, but yeah, huge difference. Really happy with that. This blackbird has been the bane of my life because it keeps going into the gutter, picking up dirt and then dropping on the driveway I've just cleaned.